600 years after Christ, and the last one in this holy place was the Inca civilization around the 1400. So in a critical time, Lima people built a temple in honor to the Earth's creator God. And the other Inca group were coming and they were building more temples in honor to the same God, the Earth's creator God. Right? So the tapestry right here has been found here in Pachacamac, and they are 900 years old, made by the third local Indian group, Ichima Indian tribe. These are pieces of tapestries. And this other ceramic belongs to the white Indian group. One. The second Indian group.
We're here at Pachacamac, which was the religious. Look at that dog. Is that a hyena or a dog? Wow.